Tētāi te wati I tēnei mea te whakapapa. Tērā mamai me te kahiatanga mai rā o te whenua. He tino kaupapa I roto I a tātou o Taranaki, tēnei mea te kahiatanga mai rā o te whenua, te tāhai o te whenua, koina te muru me te raupatu. Kei te rongo tonu mātou o te kāinga nei tērā o ngā mamai. Tēnā koe, my name is Te Poihi Campbell, and I'm from this marae called Mere Mere Marae.
The motivation was land loss. It was the loss of land. It had become significant for us as Taranaki Māori. The boundary line started from Parininihi in the north, and there's a terrible zigzag which the Crown at the time put in place, which confiscated all of our land, and it started at Parininihi ki Waitotara, and that key is the distance to Waitotara in the south.
We have a history with Taranaki. We have a long history from the 1880s. Parininihi, Waitotara, the West Coast settlement pieces have been in this place, and being able to re-establish that relationship with our whānau to their whenua is very important.
My name is Cheryl Thompson. I'm the chair of the Hine Rose Whānau Trust, which is a family trust of shareholders with PKW. I went to school here when I was 5, but we didn't live here for very long, and I did most of my growing up in Auckland.
I've got the best job. My role is about making the connections between our shareholders so they can come and make contributions back to PKW, helping them to re-establish their relationships back with Parininihi Waitotara and with Taranaki.
On my grandmother's side, most of the land is in the Hawara district, but where it is exactly, that's one of the things I'm still reconnecting to. But for us, it's more about the connection with the whānau. I have 7 children, so everybody has a turn at coming back, and then when I'm not available, my older daughter now, she started bringing her sisters back with her.
Their relationship to their whenua has always been strong because this land belongs to the people from this hapu.
And so we thought as a starter, we'll look at the naming of the birds, and then the very first bird that came to mind as one of our kaitiaki was the ruru.
Being able to share the stories about the land, about the connections of the land, and about being able to re-establish that relationship with the land to the people is more empowering. It makes the stories of Parininihi Waitotara a lived experience.
The second farm, the same procedure happened again. The day that we unveiled that particular sign, there was a kahu sitting on the fence waiting for us. So yeah, that was awesome.
We'll keep coming back, we'll keep having reconnections with family, but the one that we're most excited about is next year that we will actually be planning a wānanga with Te Poihi, who's going to help us with his knowledge of all the land and the whakapapa.
Engari anō nā te whakaaro rangatira o Parininihi ki Waitotara, e tae mātou te tūhono anōtia ki tō tātou nei whenua, ka tū hei tangata whenua ki runga I te marae, hei tū, ka tū hei tangata whenua I ngā mahi ke mui te aroaro o mātou o tēnei whenua.
We've persevered. We've persevered in the face of adversity, and we've done that through determination and through resilience. It is a fundamental part of who we are as Māori, but particularly for Taranaki Māori.